Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. In this video I'm going to bring you the update, you was all waiting for it. I'm going to show you this chart, show you where Bitcoin has closed and opened up its new candle. It is below where I was saying. If you missed my last video, I'm going to break this down with you real quick, the chart, so you can understand. It's going to be a quick video. I'm going to tell you what I'm planning to do with my Bitcoin, and I'm going to obviously talk a little bit about the alt season, the altcoins and stuff like that. If it sounds interesting to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Before I dive any further, I need to let you know, I am not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market. Please do your further research before you invest your money. Those that are new watching my channel, I have the 50-week moving average, which is this line here. And let me turn off the Gaussian channel, because I've got the Gaussian channel and I've got the 200-week down here, the red line. And I want to quickly explain to you what I was saying to the people in my that's been watching my channel. In the past, Bitcoin, and if you look closely, every time it had a close below this 50-week moving average, you can see it came up, came back down, it's always come down to this red line, and it's always been significant. Look, take a look here. We had the massive rise up in 2017 to 2018, came down, it bounced off it, it broke this blue line, and when it broke it, we saw this candle here that confirmed the bear market for Bitcoin. And you can see from there, it came straight down to the 200-week moving average. This has also been confirmed in the last cycle as well, 2013, 2014's top. Take a look, it's serious. So look, you had the crazy double top run up again. You can see here, look, all the price action was above this 50-week moving average. As soon as it came down and it showed bearish momentum, people wasn't sure if it was going back up or not in 2014. It broke this blue candle here. So this blue moving average line here. Had they been seeing this back in 2014, 2015, you know, this blue line, because if you take it off, how do you know? You don't know what's going on with price. Had they seen it here, they would have had confirmation that actually this is confirming it's a bear market. Because if you look, this green candle is so important because it had that opportunity to try and break back above, and it just couldn't do it. So, you know, right here, this candle printed a new low candle, a weekly candle below the 50-week moving average. Take a look at where, and look what happened. Look, just before I go any further, you know, if I could extend this red line, I've got another chart, the line's extended, it comes straight down to this red line, right? Because this, you know, I'm using a different chart. Take a look at where we are today. Bitcoin is just broken this blue line. Now, I'm going to wait a week. It's hard because there's different charts showing different things, and it's hard to decide which one to go with, but this one seems really accurate. I'm going to wait 1 week. This is a week's worth of candle. If in 1 week, Bitcoin does not pick up itself and come back above this line here, because it has to break above this blue line for me to feel I'm still bullish. If it does not come above $47,822 in 1 week, Sunday, I'm going to bring you another video on Sunday, you best believe that's a sign for me telling you it's time to sell your Bitcoin. Only your Bitcoin, because there's two types of cycles. Make sure you watch my channel so you understand what I mean about the cycles. You have a Bitcoin cycle and an altcoin cycle. Let's turn on the Gaussian channel, because this was also a confirmation. When we've entered this Gaussian channel, it's never ended nice, especially when it's printed a candle inside it. Take a look at the past cycles. Look, so you know, look, my final example, went below the blue line. Look, this came back above, but this candle here, that was printed, you know, below the blue line. It was all in the Gaussian channel. It spilled devastation for the future. Take a look at the market here. 2018's tops out, comes down, we get the break into the Gaussian channel, we get the confirmed candle underneath the blue line. It didn't end nice. Look at this, 2017, 2018. 2013, 2014. Look, we have a candle that breaks into the Gaussian channel. We go below this blue line. This candle here confirms it's underneath the blue line. That's a bear market territory right there. So I've got to take this serious now and say to myself, maybe if we cannot pull out of this in this week, I'm giving it a week. By Sunday, if Bitcoin has not risen above, by Sunday, I will be taking my profits on Bitcoin. Just Bitcoin. And patrons, you will see the alerts first, okay? So I'm going to keep you up to date on this chart. if you guys don't want to miss it, I'm telling you, now is a seriously good time to become a Patreon. I got 7 tiers, take your pick. Go for my exclusive VIP partner tier, because this one unlocks my post when I buy, when I sell. That's what you want, when I sell. That's the alert that you want, so you don't miss that alert. Because, you don't want to sell too early. You might be thinking, I better sell now, because, you're seeing it in the line here, and you're thinking, oh my God, I better sell now because it's in here. But you don't want to sell too early and then it rebounds back up. This is why you need to wait for the alert. If you want that little bit more, go for my CEO partner tier. This gives you my super alerts, doing it quick. You get access to my VIP Telegram group. I talk to you way before I buy, way before I sell, way before I do anything. It's all discussed in there, okay? I'm showing them this video right now. They can see it. So everyone can on the crypto thingy, right? If you got my buys, actually no, early access tiers. Early access is right down here, $4.50. So, take your pick, whichever one's best for you, right? But if you want the sell alerts, that's where you get that, right? Let's go back to this because it's important. These charts can sometimes mislead people because one chart says one thing, another chart says the other. Remember, this is on a weekly time frame. So these indicators that I'm sharing with you are telling me that we are entering bear market territory. If Bitcoin cannot come above this 50-week moving average, it has to come above. Look, it's even higher. Look here, 48,000. It's got to come above 48,000, guys. It's got to come above there this week. This is its last week to try and get out. If it can't, and it gets resisted here at the 47,700, it's resisting and it can't break it, I'm selling my Bitcoin. I'm telling you now. Let's just take a look at this chart here, because same thing, weekly time frame, but it tells a different story. This is the EMA ribbons. And you can come into templates if you want. Go on tradingview.com, get it up, sign up for free, don't pay anything. MA exponential ribbons. This tells a different story because we've been in a bull cycle on the weekly time frame. Look, bullish all the way through, bullish. How do you know? Because these lines are powerful. Because when you look here, right, they get these tangles, and you can see whenever we've had a cross upwards. Look at the tangle right here, tangles, and the yellow. It's the yellow line that you want to pay attention to. This yellow line here, because it shows momentum going upwards, and you can see this massive buy power going up. We had the tangle here, and look, the yellow line was above, and every time the yellow line's above, the price of Bitcoin has rode across it like a wave. Look, there's no tangle yet. We're seeing horrible drops, and this tells us that Bitcoin can go as low as 43,500. I might be wrong. I mean, Bitcoin could tomorrow or the next day drop to 43,000. We could see a V-shaped recovery in the space of this week. I don't know. We could do, and that could make understand this chart a bit more better. We could see Bitcoin come down, V-shape straight back up by Sunday. We could see that. But I'll tell you what, it better do something this week because it's really kind of close. This is what I'm paying attention to. This tells us that we're still bullish. This says we're still in a bull trend, because unless it breaks this red line here and then we see the tangle to come downwards, the tangle, then we're bearish, but we're not seeing that right now. Even with the last drop that we had back in May, so I've got to cover my hands, even the last drop back in April, May, look, this disgusting drop, we thought it was bear market. It's over, it's a bear market, but look at this, look, we came down to this red line, a bit of heavy buy power, came back above. So essentially, we bounced off it. There was no tangle in the ribbons. And I want to show you what I mean by tangle in the ribbons. Look at this. Here's a fine example, because this confirmed the bear market, look, of 2018. Look, you see the cross right here. The whole cross in the ribbons, all here. It was a bit of a delayed cross, but there was a cross. And let's see. Oh, if you do it like that, you can see it a bit better. Let's just take a look back in the prior bull market, bear markets. Look, you can see the cross perfectly right here, and where it confirmed the bear market. Look, right here, that's the cross. So these are the things that you want to look for when it comes to, take really seriously taking profits on your crypto. But I'm going to wait 1 week. If in a week's time, Bitcoin is not above 48,000, I'm talking, I want to see Bitcoin here somewhere. If it's not above here, oh, what have I done? Searching something else. 48,000. Let's just call it 48. What? It doesn't matter. Oh, what am I doing? Why is he doing that for, the stupid thing? Let me close this down, come back. I've messed it up. Where's it gone? I just lost it, guys. I'm sorry. Here we go. I'm pressing the wrong button. I'm supposed to hold Alt. There we go. If it's not above, nope, hold on, 48,000. Here we go. Hold on. If it's not above here, I'm getting there. I promise you I'm getting there. Hold on. Here we go. I'm just not with it. If it's not above this 48,000 here, then for me, I'm going to be seriously looking to take some profits on my... there we go. I had to be precise. I'm going to be seriously taking profits on my Bitcoin if it's not above this yellow line. I'm going to leave this yellow line here and see what happens. And it's mad because I know this tells a story of it can come down here and then go back above, but I'm going to take the majority of my profits. I think I have to because I think that it's going to spill over and go into the altcoins. And I've been saying this for a while. I really think that we're going to see some altcoins shine. Do I have that template up? Let me see. That's the MVT combo. I don't know if I have it. I had a template that I had designed, top bottom model. Let's see if I can grab this up along with the alt. What am I looking for? Excluding Bitcoin, because I want to show you. I want to show you the altcoins, the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. Right? We can keep ETH in. This is all the price of altcoins. Let me show you on the daily time frame. All the money that's being flooded into the market for the altcoins. Now, this is a powerful chart as well because it's showing, you know, great time to be buying, great time to be selling. You can see I've kept all my markers and stuff on there before. Whenever it's been below the green and the blue, the perfect time to be buying your altcoins. Whenever it's come, like if you look back in the last cycle, 2017, 2018, you know, altcoins, it went parabolic. It was above this red-orange line. It was, you know, right up here. I'm expecting that to happen again over here. I'm expecting serious money to come out of Bitcoin, maybe out of Ethereum, and flood into the rest of the altcoins. And this is where you see this spike up really high, come above this orange and red. That's what I'm expecting because we haven't had that yet. It's very different to the last cycle. So I'm going to sit back and wait. It might be an extended one, but I'm going to sit back and wait. Keep an eye on this one as well. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. I tried to keep it short and simple. If it was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Don't miss this stuff, you best believe. Check it here, like Bull Cycle update. Don't miss that one. Try to keep you up to date. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.